Okay, here we have monkey, crusta, porton, pole, brook, octopus. Alright, so these are all our words we had before. We're just breaking them up into syllables, alright? So it's actually British sheets. Okay, so monkey, crusta, porton, pole, brook, octopus. Alright? Okay, so all you have to do is cur na litir le Gaeilge, so cur sin le Gaeilge, agus scríb amach is seach sa cópleabhar, alright? So sa cópleabhar, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so 6 cín, so right, mum plus key, crust plus ta, porton plus ton, so pur plus ton, agus right and focal is seach, so right, mum plus, so then sampler. Alright, so ever C hen. So mum plus key equals monkey. Alright? So she calculate. So like that into your copy, very simple. Alright? Okay, agus scríb cear focal on lista leis na litir seo. So we've been doing this for the last 2 days. This will be very easy for us now. We should be flying through this. So, as the litir seo, so pick a word out of there, right? So let's try see if we can find, what won't we find? Okay, crusta, okay? C-R-O-S-T-A, crusta, okay? Crusta. So all you have to write is D, a hen, crusta, D a do, whatever, D a tree, whatever. Right? On and simply, right? Okay? Agus anseo. So Tomás. So Cain S a bhíonn de chus. So cad a bhí de chus. Alright? So s something, alright? So it's in our list of words. If you need to go back, have a look at them. Cain R a bhíonn char. So cad é sin? R. Okay? Cain a bhíonn an bharga. Okay? So Cain a bhíonn an bharga. So what L is on the sea? So L. Okay? Cain O a conín san arga. So what do you see in the ocean that begins with O? It's an up. Cain P atá in a coní an trá. So tá P. Okay? So sin an éasca. Agus an seo an rodernach. So scríb an focal ceart faoin Victor. So cad é sin? Tá is ag gach duine. Cad é sin? Sin monkey, right? Cad é sin? Tá na lista an seo. Okay, cad é sin? Agus beidir an seo. Okay, agus an seo. Okay. So what I want you to do as well is do this word search, right? So tá gach rud an seo. So beidh sé bhábhata na rud a shock, so a finish shock, so fill them in. Okay, so crusta, okay? Crusta. Okay? So Ibrahim, that's an easy one for you, right? So do those again as well. Okay, and yeah, that's all you have to do for Irish, okay? So honestly, please for Gaeilge, very easy. If you have any problems, contact me in class dojo, right?